Today I'm making a super simple cucumber and parsley face cream, and the best part is it's literally made with things already in our kitchen. So let's start. Let's start with cucumber. I'm just cutting it into small pieces so it blends easily. As you all know, cucumber is amazing for our skin because it hydrates and helps reduce puffiness and dullness on our skin, actually in summers. So I cut them finely. I start adding the cucumber into the blender for blend them like this, and next I take some fresh parsley. Parsley is actually so underrated. For my personal opinion, it helps clean your skin, reduce acne. It might look simple, but trust me, it's actually really powerful for our skin. Now I'm adding them into a blender and blending it until it becomes smooth and creamy. Next step, take a clean bowl and a soft cloth. I am using a muslin cloth to strain the mixture. This step is really important because we only want smooth, creamy liquid for our skin, and don't waste it. Get every last drop out. We work hard for this. In the next step, I'll show you how to turn this into a perfect skin cream. Left in the cloth, don't throw it away, just transfer it into a separate bowl. This leftover plum can actually be used as a quick face scrub or mask. Don't skip, the result is worth it. Let's move on and turn this into a smooth skin cream. I'm taking a small amount of this fresh juice into another bowl. This is what we are going to turn into our skin cream. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour. This helps thicken the mixture and gives it that creamy and smooth vibe. Now I'm mixing them well. So I'm transferring the mixture into a saucepan and we're going to heat it on a low flame. Keep stirring continuously so it doesn't form lumps. You will start to see the texture changing slowly and it becomes thicker, smoother, and start looking like a real cream. Once it becomes smooth like this, turn off the heat and let it cool down. So I'm transferring this into a clean bowl and just look at the texture, it's just perfect. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, my personally favorite. It always deeply moisturizes my skin. Then I'm adding 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil. This helps repair the skin and gives a healthy natural glow. And most of the girls love vitamin E oil. I don't know why, but they're loving it. Then mix them together. So I'm transferring this cream into a clean bowl. Make sure your jar is properly clean and dry before storing. You can store this in the freezer for up to 3 to 4 days and just take a small amount whenever you need it. Apply it on clean skin and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes minimum. Then rinse it off for soft, fresh and glowing skin. By the way, which country are you watching from and what's the weather like there right now? I'm taking a clean bowl and adding about 3 tablespoons of fresh yogurt. Yogurt is amazing for the skin. It helps brighten, soften and gently exfoliate. And I'm adding the cucumber and parsley juice into it, around 2 tablespoons. This makes the mixture even more refreshing and skin friendly, especially in summers. Now just mix everything well together. until it becomes smooth and creamy form. Next, I'm adding 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil again because this helps nourish and repair the skin naturally. Simple ingredients but such a nice results, and just like that your natural glow mask is ready. Perfect for those days when your skin feels nothing, just dull and tired. Then I'm transferring this mask into a clean jar like this. Then apply this evenly on your clear skin. Make sure to cover your face properly for the best results. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and let your skin absorb all the natural goodness. Your skin feels softer, fresher, and more refreshed. And don't forget to try this and tell me your results in the comment. I love to know how it worked for you, and also which country are you watching from. I'm really curious to know where my audience is from. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section. For the next step, I'm taking a remaining cucumber and parsley juice for making a refreshing natural toner and adding a half cup of rose water in it. Now just mix it well. Honestly, this feels like a mini facial at home, and your natural toner is ready. You can apply this with a cotton pad or spray on your face for instant freshness. For my opinion, you use spray on your face directly. It's really quick and easy. For the last part, let's use the leftover plum we saved earlier. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of normal sugar into it. If you have brown sugar, you can also add it. This turns it into a natural scrub that helps remove dead skin and makes skin smoother, fresher, simple, effective, and zero waste skincare. Honestly, this feels like a mini facial at home. First, gently scrub your skin for a few seconds, then rinse it off, and then apply a toner on your face, and then apply yogurt mask on your face, then again rinse it off, and last apply cucumber and parsley cream on your skin. Wow, you have a complete natural skincare routine. Which one are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, save, and follow for more natural beauty recipes. And tell me your country in the comments. I'm curious about it. Bye bye girlies. See you in the next one.